Hello Math1 students, today we are going to do section 5.3 ready set and go of MVP curriculum. So we start with the first question that says 3 points are given. Each point is a solution to at least one of the equations. Just 1 point satisfies both equations. This is a solution to the system. So whatever any point which satisfies both equations is going to be the solution. Find and justify which point is the solution to both equations. Also justify which points are not solutions. So we need to justify it. So I'm going to explain you, just show you one random problem here. Question number 1, and I can check by A, and we can see is that, so as I told you last time, this is going to be x values and then this is going to be y values. So we have to replace x by the x values. So this is x value and y, so plug it in the equation. If I'm taking negative 2 comma 5 and my equation is y is 2x minus 3, this I'm just taking the first equation, so I just plug it in. 5 is 2 times negative 2 minus 3. I'm checking 5 is negative 4 minus 3, and 5 is that equal to, no, that's not equal to negative 7, so that's not true. So if the moment it says like it's not the true for one of the equation, you can actually stop. But if you have to show the whole work, you can show it for the other equation here as well. Other equation is y is negative x plus 3. We are checking for that. So this is x, this is y. Let's plug it in. 5 is equal to negative of negative 2 plus 3. 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. And you see that it's the solution, but the moment it is not the solution for at least one, that's the one which is stopping us to say that this is not the solution to the system. This is not the solution to the system. In order for the system, the solution to be for the system, you have to have both equations to be true. So now what we do, so that's not the case. So A is not the answer. Let's try B. If I'm trying for B, that's 2 comma 1. Let's plug it in. Y equal to 2x minus 3. I'm just going to plug it in. Y equal to 2 times 2 minus 3. Y is 4 minus 3. And then we see 1 is 1. That's true. Let's see if it is making other equation true as well. Y is, let me change the color. Y is negative x plus 3. Y is 1. That's the one. And negative x is what? Negative x is 2 plus 3, and 1 is 1. And what do we get? That it's true again. So it's true for both the equation. The moment I just plugged it in this first equation and I plugged in the second equation, this value, it is making true both time. It means my B is the system, the solution to the system. That's a justification. You're showing each and every step. You can check the same thing for C. If I have to check for C. C is 4, 5. And you just plug it in. So if I have to, so y equal to 2x minus 3. So y equal to 2x minus 3. I just plug it in. 5 equal to 2 times 4 minus 3. 5 equal to 8 minus 3. 5 equal to 5. Looks like that's the solution for the first equation. What is the solution for the second equation? Let's check that. I'm just going to plug it in. So y is 5, x is negative 4, x is 4 plus 3. I'm getting 5 is not equal to negative 1, so that's false. The moment I'm getting at least one false, like here it was false, it means I can right away say this is not a solution. So we have only one solution, that is this one, to the system of equations. So it's a simple substitution and you can check it. So I'm just not doing the remaining 3 problems of the same kind. I can tell you which one is going to be the solution to the system. For second is part C, and for question number 3, that's again going to be the C is going to the solution. You need to show the work, and fourth it's going to be B, so that you can do your work and check your answer. Don't forget to show each and every step. Let's move to the next question. Graphing linear equations written in standard form. So standard form is the fun way for graphing. You just have to find x and y intercept, and as I told you, let's start with graph the following equation using x intercept and y intercept. So let's start with the first question 5. What you need to do, x intercept means you have to plug in y equal to 0, and for y intercept you have to plug in other thing as 0. So if you are finding x intercept, then what happens? This thing vanishes because you plug in y is 0. So that gives you, for x intercept calculation, that gives you can directly write down 5x is equal to 10 because y is 0, so that term disappears. 2 times 0 is 0. You can show that work, and that's going to be 2. So, or you can say 2 comma 0. So that's 2 comma 0. Your point is here, and I can find y intercept. So when you're doing the y intercept thing, what you can do, let me erase it. If they're talking about y intercept means x is 0, so it means this term is gone. This is gone because the moment you plug in x is 0, you're just left with y term. So you're getting negative 2y equal to 10 because that term is gone. So y is negative 5, or you can say 0 comma negative 5. That's your y intercept. So 0 comma negative 5 is where 1 2 3 4 5, it's here. And once you get it, you got the points. Simply connect it. It's so easy. I connected. That's my line given equation in standard form. So with the help of intercept, it's really easy. If I have to do the question number 6, I may go very quickly over that. So if you're finding x intercept, equate this thing equal to 24. You have 3x is 24 because y is getting 0 and x is 8, means your x intercept is 8 comma 0. And if you're finding y intercept, equate this equal to this. Forget about x part because x is going to be 0. So negative 6y is 24 and y is negative 4. So your y intercept is 0 negative 4. So now you plug in your x and y intercept. X intercept is 8 comma 0. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 is here, and y intercept is 0 negative 4. So 0 negative 4 is here, and I connect the dots. That's my line, the graphing of the equation in slope intercept form. Let's move to question number 7. I just can give you the starting point, how to write it. This will be 6x is 18 and your x is 3. Here you will get y intercept to y is 18. You see, if I'm finding x intercept, I'm using 6x. If I'm finding y intercept, I'm using 2y, and that's equal to 18. Both are equal to 18. That's a quicker way. Otherwise you can plug in and you can check, and that's 9. So that's x intercept is 3, y intercept is 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oh, that's going out. We don't have enough space, and I just connect the dots. That's my line here. If I have to do this one again, x intercept, this equal to negative 14, negative 2x is negative 14, and x equal to 7. So my x intercept is going to be 7 here. That's 7 0, and if I have to find y-intercept, I plug in this equal to negative 14. 7y is negative 14, y is negative 2, so that's 0 negative 2, it's here, and I connect the dots. Let me make a straight line. That's my line. That's a slope intercept form. If I go to the go part here, I can tell you adding and multiplying fraction, how to do it quickly. You have to add and reduce your answers, but leave as improper fractions. Okay, you don't have to make it a proper fraction. So for that one, if my first question is 9 and I have to add it, always have a same denominator, common denominator. You try to make this thing as 8. How can you make it 8? When you multiply by 2. So you multiply top and bottom by 2. And what it gives you? 6 over 8 plus 1 over 8, and that's 7 over 8. I hope you get it. If I have to, let's see, if I have to do this one, 11. I see like I cannot like multiply 3 with something, make it 4, or I cannot even multiply 4 with something, make it 3. In that case, you switch, like 3, you multiply by 4 top and bottom, and for the other fraction, multiply by 3 top and bottom. It will give you 2 over 3. You multiply by 4 and 4, you multiply the other one, and then 1 over 4 you multiply with this one, top and bottom, so that will become 3 and 3, that's 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12. Now you see the common denominator, and that's going to be 11 over 12. So you can do the remaining problems. I'm going to give you answer. Here you're going to get 13 over 10. Here you get 20 over 21. And now, if the next question, multiply, reduce your answers, but leave as improper fractions where applicable. So it means you have to just multiply it. 3 over 4 times 2 over 9. I like cross cancellation. I'll cancel by 2 1s are and 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, or so here I'm getting 1 over 6. But if you don't like cross cancellation, use the other strategy. That's 3 over 4 times 2 over 9, and you simply divide it, or simply you can say 6 over 36, and now you divide both sides by 6, top and bottom, and you get 1 over 6. So this way you can try. I'm leaving answer for the 14, 2 over 5, this is 5 over 18, and this is 8 over 49. I hope you get it. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll be posting my next video very soon, section 5.4. Till then, stay safe. Thank you and bye.